Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper is Tuesday, January 25th, 2022, and we have only one regular Sudoku, the medium Sudoku. So this additional is the edition of Monday, January the 24th, 2022. And I've already solved two puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars Sudoku, and now it's time for the last one, the 3 stars Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 4030. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I've already counted 23 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yeah, for a puzzle with 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Faster than 50 minutes. All right. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Single box, always a 1. Let me scan. Only one single box. Single box, always a 1. Can we see the dual box? Because the dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I see here, two dual boxes contains the 1 and the 2. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Here also I cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 2. Triple boxes. Do we have any triple boxes here? No triple boxes. Oh, I overlooked this one. The 1 and the 2. Dual box. So no triple boxes. Quadra box. I see here a quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. So now we have 2 boxes left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Only 1 quadra box. Okay, then the following strategy. Following strategy is to look for figures, shapes, or constructions, or structures. You need to recognize those structures or figures. Here we have the S or Z construction. Let me draw this here. Okay. Alright. Here we have the S construction or the Z construction. Shape. If you see this S shape or Z construction, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Yes, this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. But also that box has the same number as this box. But I've already filled in the 4. Yes. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Alright. Only 1 figure here with that shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Here. This shape. This box has the same number as that box for this shape. Yeah, let me draw this here. Yeah. Alright. This shape. So this box has the same number as that box. And this shape has the same, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay. Here, another one. Third shape that you need to recognize here. It's the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. This shape. Remember, this shape, this box, has the same number as that box. Oh, upside down. I've drawn this upside down. Not good, not good. Let me draw this upper. Alright. Okay. So, yeah. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here, another figure. Let me draw this here. Alright. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have all the figures or shapes or structures, construction? Yeah. Only 4 you need to recognize. There are more of these figures or shapes. Why you need to recognize? Because the following step, then it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction or shape or figure. The 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box gave me 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. Can be... No. This is a 3. I need to wait. I need a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and a 5. But we already have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. And it's connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more, that box should be a 2. This box should be a 1. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then, now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Almost made a mistake. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 3 goes there. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 2. Can it be a 2? So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 1 and a 4 cannot be here, so the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, let me mark those. Alright. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Okay. Then. I think this box should be a 2. Because, no, not too fast. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those, 2 and 5. 2 and 5. This box is connected with that box, so 2 and 5. Okay. I need a number 3, the digit 3 in this area. Need a 3 here. Well, this box can be a 3. We have a 3 there, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5, okay. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 5. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now, this box can be a 2 and more, because we have a 2 here. So the 2 should be over there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Okay. Then. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright, last 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes I need for a 1-star puzzle. Tectonic. Alright, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. No, not later, tomorrow. Yeah, this was the last puzzle for today. Tomorrow on a Wednesday, we have a new edition. So, have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And yeah, see you tomorrow on Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.